We're bonding. I wish these had on.
Snap it when I stand there? No, I don't.
And then do too. It's like, it's funny when you go to the dentist, isn't it? When they ask you questions, you go, oh really? I don't speak dentist, you know what I mean? It's funny. I was so scared when I was a kid, because when you went to the dentist, actually, I don't mind talking about this, because these are new, they cost a fortune. Just go to the dentist on the way there, and Mum used to say, if you're a good lad, when you come home, you can have anything you want out of the bakery shop window. The last thing I wanted was a cake, you know what I mean? Having lost me back molars, you know what I'm saying? Brutal. It used to give you gas. Oh, the smell of that stuff is horrible.
But it was so great.
That's why I'm all electric now. This is a Mike Nesmith song. We used to play it on the TV show all the time. Boy, did we have some fun. No heartaches felt no longer lonely. Nights of waiting finally won me. Happiness is all over you. And now with you as inspiration, I'm to a destination. Sunny bright once before through. I had no more than I gave before, but now I've got all that I need.